Hi, today in front of me Motorola E32s and I'll show you how to install a phone keyboard on this device. So first open the Play Store application and then in the search pool enter the green Apple keyboard. And now we should get this application, that's why tap to install and wait a couple of seconds. After that we just should open the application by click on this open button, then tap to enable in settings, and near green Apple keyboard you will see the switcher, so tap to the switcher and twice click to OK. Then go back, click to switch input methods and switch your currently keyboard to the green Apple keyboard. Now the process is finished, so let's use the search to see the new look of our keyboard, and we can see that it's so close to the iPhone 1 as all of the emojis. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.